yesterday, the day before, on Tuesday, 21st. But right now it's going down, down. What do you do? Put in comments. What do you think? Will it go up? Do you remember the reason is? It was problem in Brazil. Netflix blamed tax dispute in Brazil for rare earnings let down. It went down. What do you think? Put in comments. Can it go up? What do you think? But other stocks are up. Everything. Let me show you. Indexes, VEO, everything is up. Today positive, yes. And another one, AG is up as well. 32.2. Palantir, Nvidia, everything is up. Google is up. We discussed about Google. Google is very good stock. And do you remember I sent you paper with PO ratio, earnings per share? Everything is going up. That's why it's potentially very, very, very good stock. That's why. Let's see and listen. Right now we have these.
Okay, and it was actually utilizing this quick concept of what's happening with a group, in this case, the home builders, U.S. home construction, which was awesome for a period here, basically back to mid-June, or we could even take the June bottom here. What if we just said, let's take it from the low trade here and run it to our peak? You had an entire space that moved up more than 44% from peak to trough there. Or pardon me, trough to peak. Wonderful, wonderful pop. But everything changed after we got kind of pulled back to the 50-day moving average. And I've drawn in a bit of a head and shoulder here. This one seems to be a little bit more prominent. We had the left shoulder created. We pulled back to the 20-day, popped higher, made the head, pulled back to the 20-day for a very quick pause before taking it out. Now, remember, at the time, this red line would have been green because we had moved through here, tested it right here, made a high, and came back for a test. Very common, very basic technical analysis 101 stuff. And then, while you might have been feeling very bullish because we found the 50-day, found horizontal support, bounced off of it, we rallied into the orange 20-day moving average. Why is that important? Well, along the way, where was our 20-day? Our 20-day was support right there, about right here, right here. So you had basic stuff working out, right? Higher high, pull back to a higher low, 20-day moving average test. Break out to a higher high, pull back to a higher low, 20-day moving average test. What was support can then, once broken, become resistance.